Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes, and today I'm going to be decorating two different St. Patrick's Day cakes. So stick around if you want to see that. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and definitely give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. So I'm going to be doing two different cakes. I have some green cakes here that I'm going to be doing very St. Patrick's Day themed with green and gold coins like I did on the cupcakes last week. For the chocolate, I'm going to be doing like a mint chocolate chip cake, and I did have a poll over on my Instagram, so if you're not on my Instagram, definitely check that out. I'll link it here at Cara Bakes Cakes, asking what kind of St. Patrick's Day cake you think I'm going to make. A lot of people did guess mint chocolate chip or mint, so I got some York peppermint patties. I'm going to use those to decorate. So I have some little chocolate chips. And for the St. Patrick's Day cake, I have some leftover green buttercream, some more green colors. I have some sprinkles, some gold sprinkles, and some of those gold coins from our video last week. If you missed my vlog last week where I decorated some cupcakes, I did use these gold coins for the top. They turned out really cute, so if you want to see that video, I'll link that above here so you can go over and watch that first if you'd like, and then come back here and finish this video. Alright, so let's get started decorating the cakes. Okay, so I'm going to work on the mint chocolate chip cake first. I have some peppermint extract and my buttercream here, and I'm going to use some food color here to make it a mint color. Okay, so I have this really nice mint green color, and all I use is a little bit of Kelly green color. I have my chocolate cake layers here ready to go. I'm going to crumb coat the cake in this color first. I might put some chocolate chips in between, and I have some little mini chocolate chips here. Add the chocolate chips into the rest of the buttercream. I'd say just do a handful at a time and mix it in, see what it looks like before you add more. Okay, so it kind of looks like mint chocolate chip ice cream, but you can add more or less chocolate chips, whatever you like, and I'd recommend the mini ones over the bigger ones. Alright, so I have the chocolate cake covered in mint chocolate chip buttercream. Now I'm going to make a chocolate drip for the sides, and I'm going to use these York peppermint patties to decorate the top. Okay, so I finished the first cake. Mint chocolate chip. I'm going to insert some really nice pictures here that I've taken a little bit. So don't forget to head over to my Instagram to check out all of the cakes that I make. Now we're going to move on to the more in-your-face St. Patrick's Day cake. We're using the green cake layers, a gold cake board. And I have some green and white buttercream that I'm going to use to stripe around the sides. And then I have some green sprinkles and these gold coins from my last video. And I have some yellow sprinkles and gold sprinkles as well. So we're going to see what we use. Not sure yet. Go! Okay, so I decided to stick with just the green and gold. Okay, so I'm going to take this star tip with some white and put a little border on the bottom. I think I might put some gold sprinkles in that, and then I'm going to mix up some more green and put that around the top and add in the gold coins. Singing sad songs to make you smile. Okay, so here's the finished product of the St. Patrick's Day cake. I just finished it off with some green around the top, and I added some more chocolate coins around the base and the top. Okay, so here are both of the cakes that I came up with for St. Patrick's Day. Obviously this mint chocolate one could be good for any time of year, but this one is more St. Patrick's Day themed with the green and gold. So I'm going to go ahead and slice into these and show you what they look like on the inside. First we'll cut into the mint chocolate cake, and all of my cakes have a plastic straw in the middle for support. So I'm just going to be careful of that and try to cut this as perfect as I can. Alright, so there's a slice out of the mint chocolate cake, and I'll show you the inside. Now it's time to slice this cake. Alright, so that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed watching me decorate these two cakes, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. I upload videos every Sunday. Thanks for watching.